Hello guys, Namaste. Today I am going to teach cast law of trigonometry, CAST cast law. This is called cast law, and you are looking here the diagram of cast law. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. There are 4 quadrants totally. And in the cast law, CAST, it starts from 4th quadrant. C for cos and sec, A for all, S for sine and cosec, and T for tan and cot. In 4th quadrant, C for cos and sec are positive in 4th quadrant, same as A for all positive. In 1st quadrant, all the trigonometric ratio are positive. Same, 2nd quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, and 4th quadrant, tan and cot are positive. There are 6 trigonometric ratios in trigonometry: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Today we are going to teach how to change trigonometric ratio, like sine change into cos, cos change into sine, and here you can see some rules of cast law. Odd and even I have categorized 90 degree and 270 degree. Let 90 degree and 270 degree is odd number, 180 degree and 360 degree are even number. Suppose if 90 degree and 270 degree are odd number, in 90 and 270 degree ratio change, but 180 degree and 360 degree ratio are no change. And when the ratio, trigonometric ratios are changed, sine is changed into cos, sec is changed into cosec, and tan is changed into cot. Let's see. For example, you have a question: sine 90 degree plus theta. You have sine 90 degree plus theta. 2 questions you have to ask while you are changing the quadrant. Which quadrant is it? 90 degree plus theta. Which quadrant? You can see in the diagram 90 degree plus theta is in 2nd quadrant. 90 degree plus theta is in 2nd quadrant. And in 2nd quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Sine and cosec are positive. That's why the result is in positive, means in plus. Generally, sign of plus is not writing, but let's suppose here is plus sign. Means 90 degree plus theta. Which quadrant? Which quadrant? The answer of which quadrant give you what you write, minus or plus, what you write, it determines. That's why sine 90 degree plus theta is 2nd quadrant. It lies in 2nd quadrant, and in 2nd quadrant, sine is positive. Now, 2nd question is odd or even. 2nd question is odd or even. 90 degree. I have written here some rules. 90 degree. 90 degree, I have categorized it. 90 degree is odd number. Actually 90 degree is not odd number. 90 is not odd number. But suppose when we remove the 0 from the 90, remain 9. Which one is odd number? That's why suppose it is odd number. Suppose it is odd number. And if 90 is odd number and 90 is odd number, then in the term of 90, ratio is changed. In 90, ratio is changed. And sine, you are looking here, sine ratio is changed into cos. Sine is changed into cos. Sine is changed into cos. Means sine 90 degree plus theta equal to sine is changed into cos. That's why it becomes cos theta. This way, in short rule, by using short rule, we can change the quadrant. Okay. Same. Other example. Suppose you have tan 270 degree minus theta. I have already informed you. You have to ask two questions. Which quadrant and odd or even. First question is which quadrant? 270 degree. You see the diagram and tell me which quadrant does it lie? 270 degree. It is here. It is here. Which is in third quadrant. Which is in third quadrant, and third quadrant, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Tan and cot are positive. Which ratio is here? Tan. Tan is positive. That's why you can write here positive, which is not necessary to write. If minus, you must have to write, but if there is plus, it is not necessary. Means tan is positive. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. And in third quadrant, tan is positive. Now second question is odd or even. 270. Which angle we have used here? 270. 270 is here. 270 is known as odd number. 270 is known as odd number. And odd number means ratio change. Odd number means ratio change. And tan is changed into cot. Tan is changed into cot. That's why tan 270 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. This way we can change any number. We can change any trigonometric ratios. For example, next example I am giving you cosec. Let's use cosec ratio. Cosec 180 degree minus theta. Cosec 180 degree minus theta. How do you change it? See here. First question, which quadrant? What is first question? Which quadrant? First question. Question number first. Which quadrant? Which quadrant? Which quadrant is it? 180 degree minus theta. From there we can find which quadrant is it. 180 degree minus theta is second quadrant. 180 degree minus theta is second quadrant. And second quadrant means sine and cosec are positive. Second quadrant means sine and cosec are positive. Again this is cosec. Cosec means positive. That's why it is also positive. Now second question is odd or even. Odd or even. What is this 180 degree? Odd or even number? It is in even number. It is in even number. And even number ratio no change. Ratio no change. Means if it is cosec, same ratio will be there. Okay? Then cosec 180 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. This way we can change any types of problem related with this. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Other example. Example number 4. Suppose we have a question of cos 180 degree minus theta. You have a question of cos 180 degree minus theta. By using this short rule, how can you change? How can you solve this problem? Let's see. First question. Which quadrant? First question is which quadrant? 180 degree minus theta is here, which is in second quadrant. Which is in second quadrant, and And in second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, not cos. Cos is positive in fourth quadrant, but this value is lies here in second quadrant. That's why cos is negative in second quadrant. Why cos is negative? Because 180 degree minus theta means it is less than 180 degree value. It is less than 180 degree value, and 180 degree less than 180 degree means second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is not positive. If it is not positive, then what is it? Negative. First question, which quadrant means second quadrant, and second quadrant means cos is negative. Next question is odd or even? Odd or even? 180 degree. You are looking 180 degree. 180 degree is in even number. It is in the group of even number, and in the even number ratio is no change. Means cos is not change into sine. Cos is not change into sine. It doesn't change. Means it is same. That's why cos 180 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? It is same, no change. Why this is change? Why this is no change? Look here. This is also even number. This is also even number. Because of even number, cosec is also not changed, and cos is also not changed. Because of odd number, sine is changed into cos, and tan is changed into cos. Okay? Thank you very much. Hope you have understand this problem.